Hi, it's Lipstick Gal. Thank you so much for watching today. I wanted to show you it came in my Beautylish Lucky Bag. Oh, I'm so excited. It wasn't supposed to come for a couple more days. That's what the tracking said, but here it is. So all I've done is just cut that's it. I haven't opened it. What is in here? Ooh, look at that. This year I was able to snag the extra large bag. Now, I'll tell you, paying $150 for a mystery bag, you don't know what you're gonna get. It could be good, it could be bad, it could be... It's always a bit of a, like you're rolling the dice. You're definitely gambling with your money. But I am not much of a risk taker, but I am when it comes to beauty products. So I'm excited to see what there is. So the first thing in here is from Good Molecules. Oh, I almost bought this. This is their pineapple exfoliating powder. It has fruit enzymes, vitamin C, and rice powder to gently exfoliate. I'm not one for a lot of physical exfoliators, but the powder is so fine. It does a really nice job, and it has those enzymes to help lift the dead skin without getting too harsh. The second thing in the box is from Oribe. It is their Côte de Jour Nourishing Hand Cream. Every time I think of Oribe, I always think of hair products. I don't necessarily, ooh, there's two things in here. I don't know what that is. I usually think just hair products, and I've never smelled this before. It's very thick. It has a really light scent to it. It's not too heavy. I don't know, maybe I take that back. I feel like the more I rub it in, I don't know if it's like essential oils I'm activating or something, but they warm through my body. It smells grapefruity, like a citrus of some sort. It's actually really nice. What is this? Oh, okay. Since it's a metal tube, this is one of those, I guess are like turnkeys or something. So you put it up here, and as you slide it down, it actually forces all of the product down. You don't leave any at the top, and then you just start cranking and it turns the tube over and over and over. So you get every last drop out of here. Oh, I'm so excited. The next thing in here is the Sonia G Blender Pro. Oh, I have a love affair with Sonia G brushes. This one is so nice. I like how chunky it is. This is the classic Crease from the Sky eye set, and this is the Blender Pro. I feel like, well, this one's been washed a few times. This one looks like it's a little bit more pointed at the tip, and I feel like it might actually fluff out nicely once, you know, it's washed, but it is super soft. Oh, I'm so delighted to have that. I've always gotten either a Sonia G or a Wayne Goss brush every time I get a Lucky Bag, and to me, they're kind of like the highlight. I got something from Uma Beauty. This is their Black Magic Carnival Baha'i Hypnotic Impact Metallic Shine Lipstick. Packaging is red. Look at that. It's so sparkly. I like the undertone of it. I don't know about the sparkle. We'll see. The next thing in here is from Surat Beauty. This is their lid lacquer, and it's in the shade Satu Ume. And I like on the back, I'm hoping this is the shade. Oh, it is. Look at that. Right here. It's a really pretty kind of grayish. It would look really nice with what I'm wearing today. Oh, I like that a lot. I don't know if this is going to be one of those things where it's a little creamy, and if I don't set it, it's going to crease, but this would be fun to play with, definitely. This is from R&Co. This is their Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. This is paraben, sulfate, petroleum, mineral oil free, but it's not silicone free, so I don't usually use things that have silicones or sulfates in my hair. I don't know. I might see if my kids want to try it, but I like this idea of a moisture and shine lotion. So this is a brand I've never seen before. Is it Gold or Goldie? It's their Clean Green Purifying Face Mask. It has mango juice powder, marshmallow root extract, spirulina powder, chlorella powder, and that's it. There's only 4 ingredients in this. Maybe water? Oh, actually, no, because it's a powder. It smells like a green drink, which is not my favorite flavor. So this is supposed to be a radiance boosting mask made with 100% pure supplement grade superfoods packed with natural chlorophyll. The powder to gel formula, what? Powder to gel detoxifies while promoting skin renewal and repair. So you add 1 teaspoon of powder with a few drops of water, apply a thin layer, and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. I definitely don't enjoy the way it smells. It does have that superfood, good for you but doesn't taste delicious kind of smell. If you've ever had one of those green drinks, I feel like this definitely smells like that, but it's interesting that it's a powder. When it said mask, I was thinking already prepared, but you get to be your own esthetician and mix your own mask up and then apply it. That's interesting. Tom Ford Extreme what? The shade is Badass. Is it a Tom Ford eyeshadow quad? Oh my goodness. So it comes in this little expensive, I'm too expensive to be just in a box pouch, which is kind of cool. And it's very highly mirrored and I've already goobered it up, but oh my goodness. It is a Tom Ford quad. Oh my giddy aunt. Okay, I have never purchased a Tom Ford eyeshadow quad because they're like, what, $80, $85, $90? I don't know. They're like crazy expensive for 4 shades. And I could never bring myself, I have a few, I've had Tom Ford lipsticks, I have one of his cream eyeshadows, but I could never bring myself to buy a product like this. Ooh, that's gonna be fun to play with. The last thing in here is from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, don't use your teeth as tools. It's very taped up. Oh my goodness. They were worried about this breaking and I'm glad it's like childproof. Where are my scissors? I don't have any. Oh, there we go. This is their Instant Look in a Palette Gorgeous Glowing Beauty. I have another Instant Look in a Palette that I really like and I don't reach for it enough, but she's so pretty. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, yes, please. These look beautiful. I can't believe I got a Tom Ford quad and a Charlotte Tilbury palette. Someone's feeling special. Wow. I'm totally impressed with everything in here. There's a couple of things that I know I'm not going to use. I'm going to have to pass this on to a friend. I know someone who might really like this. And this gives me pause. Like the base color is pretty, but I'm sure it's what it looks like on. But I feel like everything else, like a high-end, like I got, I don't know if this is my favorite thing, but it's right up there. I got 9 products and I'll tell you, I know that I'm gonna use both of these palettes more than I use the Viseart Grande Pro 3 that I got last year. I love that palette, but I prefer smaller palettes. So the fact that I have a full face palette and a quad, these are definitely gonna get more love and more regular use. And I have really been loving cooler toned shadows. And so these guys right here are right up my alley. If you're curious, both of these items were $16. The hand cream was $22. The lipstick was $26. Both of these items were $34. The Surratt lid lacquer was $36. Charlotte Tilbury's Instant Look in a Palette was $75. And the Tom Ford eyeshadow quad that I've already gooed up was $88. So the grand total for all of these was $347. I paid $150. I love Beautylish. I asked for Beautylish gift card for my birthday, which is later this week, and I have some more shopping to do at Beautylish, so I'm excited. There might be more Sonia G brushes in my future, but I am absolutely delighted. Thanks so much for watching today. This was really fun, and I was kind of like holding my breath. Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be good? And it turned out really, really good. I would love to see you back here again. So if you aren't subscribed, would you please? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.